Okay, guys, for the people that ask again and again how the Advantage Arms conversion kit for the Glock works. This is a P80 frame, so it's the same Glock as a Gen 3. This is the Advantage Arms slide conversion kit and the Advantage Arms magazines. This is pretty simple. You take your slide off, you put the other slide in the same way you would put a regular slide. This is all working. They recommend not to do dry fire on these ones. And we're going to try to do a mag dump. We're going to do 2 mag dumps. All the magazines that they come with it, they are 10 rounders. Same way. Last round walled open. There you go. Let's try to go faster. It's just as simple as that. You can notice this is a one-piece barrel. It's pretty solid. It's almost like a bull barrel, and it's very, very accurate. So far for me, it have worked very reliable with no problem whatsoever.